Hi there, I am Alex Cunningham, and I will walk you through this Squarespace tutorial step by step.
Today, I'll show you how to adjust the navigation spacing on your Squarespace website. By the end of this video, you'll understand exactly how to fine-tune your navigation design, making it not just more visually appealing, but also easier for your visitors to use on both desktop and mobile. This skill helps your site stand out and ensures your brand looks professional right from the first click. Let's jump right in. The first thing you'll want to do is open your Squarespace site and head into the site editor. If you're new to Squarespace, the site editor is basically your command center. It's where you can tweak layouts, images, and, of course, navigation. Look towards the top right corner of the editor and click Site Styles. Here is where most of your branding decisions come together, from fonts to colors to how everything is spaced. Once you're in Site Styles, you'll see you can select a font for your entire site. Don't rush here. Your font really communicates the feel of your brand. For navigation in particular, cleaner fonts often work best since they help your visitors find what they need quickly. A busy or script font can look beautiful for headlines, but for navigation, clarity is key. Now, to actually adjust the spacing, click on the Header section inside Assign Styles. The header controls the visible top part of your site, including navigation, title, and sometimes a logo. Under Header, you'll notice options for Site Title, Mobile Site Title, and Site Navigation. Each of these can be customized individually, so you're not stuck with one look for every device. Start with Site Title by clicking on it. You'll see different settings you can play with: style, font, weight, line height, letter spacing, text transform, and size. Now, let's slow down here. If you haven't changed line height or letter spacing before, just remember, increasing line height gives your text a bit more breathing room vertically. Great if your title looks cramped. Letter spacing does the same horizontally, stretching out the letters just a bit so everything feels open and readable. Think of it like adjusting the distance between cars and traffic. Too close, and you risk bumping into each other. Too far apart, and it looks disconnected. Take a moment to experiment with these sliders, and if you don't immediately see a style you love, don't worry. It can often take a few tries to get it just right, and you can always preview the changes before saving. Next, repeat these adjustments for the mobile site title. Mobile navigation is crucial because most visitors these days view websites on their phones. Here, you might want slightly larger text or more letter spacing, so finger taps are easier and navigation isn't a struggle. Move on to Site Navigation. This controls the menu items themselves. You'll see options here for style and size. Again, clarity is your friend. Increasing the size slightly can make your menu easier to use, especially for longer site names or more than a few pages. If your navigation includes a button, for example, Contact or Sign Up, you'll find more customization options here, like font, weight, and line height. So take a moment to make sure everything matches your site's overall vibe. Once you're happy with the tweaks, don't forget to hit save. Sometimes people spend time perfecting their styles, then accidentally click away and lose their changes. Squarespace makes saving easy, so just one click will make sure your adjustments stick. And that's all there is to it. With these steps, adjusting navigation spacing in Squarespace becomes quick and unintimidating, and it'll make a world of difference for your users. If you found this tutorial helpful, give this video a thumbs up and drop a comment below with any questions or tricks you've discovered for customizing Squarespace. I love hearing how others make their sites their own. And of course, subscribe for more step-by-step tutorials like this. See you next time.